BACK stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I see gains today. That's cool. Almost 50% now with Ranpak Holdings stock. I've done 35,000 videos, by the way. I've spent thousands of courses and mentors and documented everything. And just observing, looking at Ranpak. Bro, it's just awful price. Like this is like, I'm just so like pissed off, man. I mean, to be very honest, like this is not a good look. I mean, yeah, for sure, this probably like is going to take the highs out, but like there's really nothing in it for me because I'm way too late. And honestly, even here I probably would have not get involved. If you ask me about how are you gonna potentially double down on this or trade this, would only do so if it actually retraces down quite a bit and then gives me that double break. If not, everything else is pure noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.